guys, so today it's another vlog, and today's vlog we have a tutorial regarding the Godox V1. So on today's vlog guys, we will answer the question coming from our friend. He sent a message on Instagram. His name is Mr. Mark Alvarez. So shoutout sa iyo, Sir Mark Alvarez. And this vlog is regarding Godox V1. Um, you will use the Godox V1 as a master, then 860 or any Godox speedlight as a slave. So again guys, we have the Godox V1, and actually we use the S, which is for Sony, and also the Godox V860 Mark III from Sony. So we will use the V1 as a master, then V860 as the slave. So without further ado, let's begin. And again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorials. So let's start now guys. So first I have the V1 here, and I have the V860 Mark III from Godox. So I'll show you how to make the V1 as a master and V860 as a slave. Okay guys, so we have the Godox V1S, or for Sony. You can use also Canon, Fuji, same. Okay, just turn on the Godox. Make sure instead of A or automatic, change the settings to manual. So go, just press this zoom button from up. This is the zoom. Yan. Press. Then it will highlight the A++. Then, yeah, change to manual or M. So, yeah, it's up to you. How many millimeter you can use for your lens. Depends on your lens. For example, I have 70, then done. So, now I have uh, master mode on my V1S. Of course, you have the channel 1 and group A. So, let's go with the 860. So, this is the 860. Okay, just turn on the 860. For example, you are here, TTL, and you can go with, okay, TCM, TTL TCM, okay, modes or TCM. Just press the TCM and you have already the S1. It's called S1. It's slave mode. Okay, yeah, sorry. You have already M and slave mode. When using a slave mode, press the TCM or this button, and it will appear the S1, S1 or S2. So I rather use the S1. If you want to use the S2, press this one, but for me, I will use the S1. Now you are set, and we will try to uh okay, so now we will try to take some lights sample. Yeah, it's working again. Let's check again. It's working fine. Okay. Bouncing the light. Okay. So this is the V1C, and this is the V60. If you use the this is trigger, this is the box light. This is the box light. This is the So yan nga guys, medyo may problema sa ating microphone, but again, If you want to check the price and availability of this Godox, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com. So all the Godox product is already in our website. So from V1 to strobe light, speed light, or anything from the Godox guides already in our website. So again, sorry for the sound. We have faulty sounds on this time. So yan, I think that's it for today. So yeah, check na lang Godox in AEB World, www.abworld.com. Yeah, so thank you and buhay.